In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make line thickness visible in Autocad, or in other words, how to see line weight in Autocad. You can see a good example is in this drawing where you can see true line thickness in Autocad. Now, this one is not default in Autocad drawing. If you open a new drawing, or for instance, let me open a new drawing and for example, copy. This is not default, so you realize that you cannot see the true line thickness in default Autocad drawing. So let me just copy to this drawing 3 so that I make myself more clear. Okay, now in this drawing, you realize that I have lost the true line thickness and the appearance that was in this particular drawing. So this is what I want to show you exactly how you can make these line thicknesses visible in Autocad. So you can see in home, you can see these properties. So you need to make the line thickness or line width visible, or to see the line width in Autocad, you just need to go to this option. Now, first of all, what is line width? Line width is different thicknesses for line. If I draw a new line here, let me draw a new line. Now, if you go and select this line and check properties, you can see that the line width of this particular line is by layer, and I think is default. Okay, and you can see the line type. Now, to change the line thickness, you can just go to layer and then increase thickness. I will increase thickness to 90 millimeters, but the true line thickness still does not appear. If I select and draw a new line here, and then increase even thickness even further to about 200 or 2.1 millimeters, still the true line weight does not appear in Autocad or is not visible. So to change this, you need to go here to line width, and then down here you can see line width setting. So click line width settings, and then you need to click display line width, and then click OK. Now you can see the difference is that here you can now see the true line thickness. Also in this drawing, you can see the true line thickness. Now, there's a big difference between that drawing and this one, because in as much as you can see the true line thickness, you can also be able to see the line type. You know, the line type here is clear, but in this drawing 3, the line type is not very clear because all lines appear to be continuous, but in here you can clearly see that all lines are not continuous. So how do you change that? You need to go to the same option, now the other option here, and then click others. Okay, now you might realize that yours is like this. You need to click show details. Now we can change the global scale factor to 25. Increase the global scale factor to 25, and then click OK. And just as simple as that, you can be able to see the true line thickness and the line type in Autocad. You can be able to display the line weight and the line type in Autocad. So this marks the end of my video. If you like, subscribe, share. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.